If someone tells you that they work for Google, you may think, oh wow, but you can do it too and earn thousands of dollars per month. In this video, I will show you exactly how, and I will give you some details that I'm sure will help you if you want to work for Google as well. So what will you be as someone that works for Google? An ads quality rater, as Google calls this job. Or maybe you're more familiar with these names: Search Engine Evaluator, Internet Analyst, Web Search Evaluator, and so on. This is one of only a few home-based Google jobs opportunities, but we will see more in another video. So, welcome back to my channel and let's go! Oh, before we start, let me just assure you that ads quality raters do exist and Google pay people to do this kind of job. Okay, I don't want to waste your time here, so what is a search engine evaluator? Well, it's just a person like me or you or someone else that will have to look at specific results and make sure they follow the guidelines. You will be given a time limit to do certain tasks and you will be paid just for that time limit. If you spend more time on doing your tasks, you won't be compensated. It will pay off only if you become more efficient with your work, because slow workers are just wasting their time. Okay, I think I can skip this part because maybe many of you already know or heard about search engine evaluators, and if you don't, just leave a comment down below and I'll be more than happy to answer and help you. So, I was saying, how do you know if you can work for Google? There are some requirements, of course, and we will check them out right now, and after that I will show you where and how to apply for these kind of jobs. First of all, you will need some research skills. We are all online, I think, every day, so I think this won't be a problem for you. Secondly, they ask you to have some knowledge about current events and pop culture, but if you're good at research, I don't think this is a real requirement. The next one, well, here, do you think you can do this for maximum 10 hours per week? I think you can. I mean, it can become a side job for you, and if you become better and better, you end up earning some good money. The most important thing is that you will have to pass a test or an interview, and of course, you have to be good at English if you want to work in English. There are open jobs for Google in other languages too, but today we will cover only the English ones. Another important thing that I want to tell you today is that if you live in the USA, you can earn up to $36,000 per year. Now let's see what exactly you will have to do as a Google rater or search engine evaluator. Let's say that you type in weather in New York. So you will have this result and you'll have to rate it based on the parameters mentioned in the general guideline, which is called the Bible of Google. So you will rate this result based on its helpfulness to the user. Okay, this was just an example because you can always get a link or an image or a video and so on. Okay, now I think it's clear what you will do as a search engine evaluator, so stay close because now we are going to see where you can apply to these jobs. Well, I would suggest you start using Lassador.com because here you will find many companies that hire for these jobs as Appen, Lionbridge, Zovio, or even Google. Now guys, there's another important thing that you should know. If you get approved for Appen, for example, you won't be able to apply on Lionbridge, for example, because they work for the same company that is Google, so you will only be able to choose one and stick with that one. Okay, so it's cool, it's easy, you just have to make some tasks and earn thousands of dollars. But as per each kind of job or thing that you do, it takes time to become better or at least good and learn, of course. And to be honest, it's pretty difficult to get past the qualification test. You need to read their guidelines and go to the 3-part qualification process. But I think that if you really like this opportunity and want to earn some extra money for real and for sure, then you can apply. And even if you fail the first time, well, you can prepare better for the next time and apply again, of course. Okay guys, this was all for today. If you have any questions, the comment box is down below waiting for you. Have an amazing day and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.